Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today I am going to make potato lollipops with golden sauce. Hope you will like it. Now, food facts. Today I will be discussing benefits about two main ingredients. One is saffron. It is powerful antioxidant. It is originated in Greece and people eat it to boost mood and improve memory. It may reduce appetite and aid in weight loss. Second one is potato. It is good source of vitamin B6, has fiber, magnesium and antioxidant and is naturally gluten free. Ingredients. So here we will be using corn flour or makki ka atta, mozzarella cheese, coconut milk, nachos, garlic, buttermilk, 1 bowl. Then we have some salt as per taste, small potatoes or potato pearls, olive oil, mixed herbs and red chili. So we are going to blanch the tomatoes. For that I am going to add the tomatoes in the boiling water. Please note that I have made a cross mark, you can see over here, so that the skin can be easily peeled off. And I am going to place these tomatoes in the boiling water. We will boil the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes and then we will put it in the icing water. Ingredients for tomato ceviche. So here we are using 3 blanched tomatoes, some sugar, some salt and red pepper. Now we are going to blend it, and I have also added a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar and some red chili to it. Now I'm going to blend it. To make the batter which we will be using for coating the potatoes. So for that I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, then some mixed herbs to it. I'm going to add a little bit of mixed herbs, and then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili and 1 bowl of buttermilk. You can add a little bit more depending upon the consistency. Now I'm going to mix it. Consistency of the batter. So you can check the consistency of the batter itself. It is neither too thick nor too thin. So it is just like this. You can add the buttermilk according to your own material. So I have also added you can say around 2.5 to 3 bowls of buttermilk in it. So these are the coated pearls, potato pearls, which we have coated with the batter, and now we are going to deep fry it. So now we are going to deep fry the potatoes which we have coated with the batter, and I have used olive oil to deep fry these. Please note that I have used low flame. So after frying for 7 to 8 minutes, we will keep it aside and then we will recoat it in the batter, and then we will coat it with the nachos and then fry again. So these are the potato lollipop pearls which we get after frying and then coating it with the nachos. Now we are going to make the golden sauce. So for that I have added 1 teaspoon of olive oil in the pan, and now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. I'm going to stir fry it for 20 to 25 seconds. Now I'm going to add some little bit of coconut milk. I have already added saffron to it, and I'm also going to add a little bit of more saffron to it. Now I'm also adding some mozzarella cheese. You can add as per your own taste. I have already added a pinch of salt to it. Now I'm going to add the potato lollipop pearls to it. Now plating. So here I have used some nachos. This is the tomato ceviche that we prepared and we have refrigerated it for 1 hour. And then I have used olives, both green and black olive. Food for thought. Sometimes trying different with the simple ingredients make a unique dish. Hope you will like it. Now a quick recap. So main ingredients. Here we have used small potatoes 8 in number, mozzarella cheese, salt, red chili, garlic cloves 5 in number, buttermilk 3 bowls, mixed herbs, coconut milk, olive oil, nachos and yellow corn flour. Ingredients for tomato ceviche: 3 blanched tomatoes, salt a pinch of sugar, red chili. Of tomato ceviche: blanch 3 tomatoes, then grind tomatoes after adding red chili, pinch of salt and sugar. Then strain the mixture and collect whatever is left on the strainer and freeze it for 1 hour. Now preparation of batter. Add 1 big bowl of yellow corn flour and 3 bowls of buttermilk, salt, mixed herbs and red chili. Mix all the ingredients and batter is prepared. After it is prepared, first prick the potatoes with a fork and then dip it into the batter and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Then deep fry it. Preparation of potato lollipops. Fry the potato pearls in olive oil for 7 minutes, then keep it aside and again dip it to the batter and coat it with the nachos and then fry. Now finally preparation of golden sauce. Add olive oil, garlic, coconut milk, mozzarella cheese and then add saffron and salt. Stir it for some time, then add fried potatoes, pearls which we have made earlier. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.